Well, hey there, and welcome to Jim's Kitchen. Guess what? It's fall, y'all! And you know what? That's my favorite season of the year. I love corn mazes. I love pumpkin patches, haunted houses, scary movies. Fall is so wonderful. Apple cider. It's so delicious. Well, there's a special collaboration happening. I know it involves Jessie from Catalina Treats and Justina from Justina's Country Kitchen. All about fall favorites. Hashtag fall 2022 favorites. One favorite thing about fall that I think of is pecan pie. Or is it pecan pie? Well, it could be either. And today I'm making pecan pie truffles. Let's do it. I'm gonna start with a food processor, and I need these pecan shortbread sandies. Put them in there and crush them. Pour it in a bowl. We need a half a pack of room temperature cream cheese put in that bowl. And a 1/4 cup squeeze of maple syrup.
Well, thank you for using me, Jimmy.
Mix it all together until you get a soft dough. You might have to use your hands. I need a tablespoon of dough. Put it in my hand, and I'm just gonna roll it into a ball in the palms of my hand and place them on a foil-lined tray. These are gonna go in the freezer for about 20 to 30 minutes. See y'all soon, and happy fall. You need to get some of this flavored candy coating. Now it calls for that vanilla white one, but I have this leftover chocolate flavored one. So why not? I'm gonna microwave it for about 90 seconds in the microwave, and if it's not melted, then you do it at 15-second intervals. Now I'm adding in some cinnamon. Stir that in. Now grab your balls and dip them in that chocolate. And put on the tray. You can put a pecan on top for a beautiful decoration. I just let these sit out for a couple minutes and they harden very quickly. Look, I just did these ones and they're kind of hard. Pecan pie truffle. I love fall. Don't forget to visit hashtag fall 2022 favorites to see even more exciting first day of fall recipes. How did the walnut know where the cashew was hiding? He was peeking.